Hello, good evening. My name is Honey. Today is 26th of April of 2020. I'm in Italy. As usual, and when this thing started on the 21st of February in Italy, I've been giving message of how this thing is going on, how we are, how the story, everything gradually. So I will continue as I promised in the end of this virus finished. Today is 26th of April. We can see the number of people who lost in their life is getting less. So today is only 200 and something people who left the world today. But those are humans. I always say the other time I told you I don't like calling people with numbers. I could have been able to call them one by names if it's but I cannot, So I just use that number just the way they bring it out and telling every time we watch it. But at the same time, these are human beings. These are one of us, me and you. See, it's very hard for me to use that number and just like that. And since this virus started, this thing have been on mad base. It come to a time that nobody know what is going on in the world. Everything was so somehow. We see some messages that is going around, especially the one that is from my own continent of Africa, which is not encouraging. Everything is just, it's not encouraging at all. We see it all over the world. It's not encouraging. So even those, I don't want to use that name of China, they are not getting even better than all the whole world. You can see they are even better than no one. At us today, there is no number that is one of them go away from this world. You can see this thing is very painful when we are saying it. So a lot of people who doesn't expect it, they all go away. This is the only way I can explain these things. It's very painful anytime you look at it, especially those of us who are in the sanitation aspect. When you are seeing someone, it's very painful. So I just thank God that the thing is getting, we are seeing the end of it gradually, gradually. I told you the other time because of my belief. Until the March, at the end of the March or June, you can see maybe this is going to be better. If the number continue going down, I think before that time everything will be okay. And the president of Italy has just announced that on the 4th everything is going to open on the 4th of March, and a lot of them will open tomorrow, which is 27th. This is a cantieri, those people that build the house, the building sectors is going to open tomorrow. So we are seeing that God is doing his own way in the life of the people here. And as we are going on, there are even people, some notice which are bringing out they need some people going to work. As I promised you the other day, that when this thing finish, a lot of people will get opportunity to get job. We all know that. So they have already started putting it on net. Who want it? If you call me, the other time I shared about on my page, of WhatsApp, I share the message to some people who are in need. So you can see, maybe you start applying by now. Gradually, when things are getting better, you can get a space to hide yourself. Those that is not working, and those that is working, please hold your job. Don't joke with your job when the whole thing starts again. So everything is going to be normal, and take care of yourself. My message specially for the youth. Today, I know we are living in a mad moment. The youth of today are not so. They are. What am I going to say it? I don't know if I'm going. Especially the youth of Africans. I don't know if the youth are in the moment. I don't know. I don't want to use the word as I said the other day. Some people are so sensitive. So when you use some word, it might hurt anyone, it might provoke anyone. Your word might bring something different to others. So when you are on it on this kind of thing, You must prepare yourself for what you are going to say to everyone. So sometimes I'm afraid to use a word that will hurt anybody. And at the same time, I don't know how to tell you. Please, I told you the other day, until I see you, the youth in Europe, becoming someone. And I will continue saying, love yourself. Keep yourself safe. This thing is getting worse and worse. I think I have a novel here that I said I'm going to read some of the youth. This novel, you see, Zens. So I use it for sometimes on my journey when I'm going anywhere, traveling. I read these things that give me some inspiration. Let me read one little page for you. I'm just dedicating this one to the youth for them to see. It can help if you understand me. Be sensitive to my words. Don't look at exactly or how I talk, but just look inside you and feel exactly how I feel. That is what you are going to see in me. So let me give you read one page for you to see. I put my my reading lens. Okay, I'm going to read in Italian and at the same time I'm going to try repeat it in English so that we can understand. This one, cammino, which is our walking. Our walking. È facile non lasciare la traccia se stai fermo, ma è difficile camminare senza toccare la terra. Se adotti metodi umani, puoi non ingannare te stessi e gli altri. Se segui la via di Tao, non c'è posto per inganno. Sai se puoi volare con le ali, ma non hai ancora imparato a volare senza gli ali. Conosci la sapienza di coloro che sanno, ma non hai ancora imparato la sapienza di chi non sa. This is what I just want to tell you. Let me start again, one by one, so I will illustrate it. Non è facile non lasciare traccia quando si stai fermo. You see, when you are not walking, when you stand you stay in one place, you hold up. It's easy not to see your trace. Because you hold up, no one can trace you because you are not walking. You stop somewhere. So no one can trace your legs. No one can trace your movement. No one can trace your actions because at the same time, you stop. Ma è difficile camminare senza toccare la terra. Which is, but it's very difficult to walk. It's very difficult to walk without touching the floor, without touching the land, without touching the earth, without touching the floor. Se adotti metodi umani, when you put humanity, when you adopt the system of humanity, adopt the styles of humanity, you working on humanity, be in your humanity, puoi ingannare te stessi e gli altri. You can betray yourself and others. You can betray yourself and you can betray others. Se segui la via di Tao, non c'è posto per inganno. When Tao is a discipline, is a religion, old ethnic, old system of living, old system of before Christ to the world, the system of living, when human beings are still living on innocence, when the earth was still very plain. There was not all this problem we are facing today when the world was still living on innocent, When you follow that step, when you take the step, when you take a better step in your life, when you work with your self-discipline, when you are living in a better way of your life, you cannot betray yourself. Sai che si può volare con le ali. You can fly with the wings. You can fly with the wings. Ma non hai ancora imparato a volare senza ali. But you have not learned to fly without wings. You have not learned to fly without wings, because you know how to fly with wings. Without wings, you have not learned. Riconosci la sapienza di coloro che sanno. You know the intelligence. You know what the wisdom of those who knows. You know the talent of those who knows. You follow the talent of those who knows. You see those that tell you the wisdom you are seeing in people. Ma non ha ancora imparato la sapienza di chi non sa. But you have not yet learned from those who doesn't know. This word is written by one of Japanese man, and this book is written for years ago. I brought this reading to you, my beautiful young youth. I brought it for so many reasons, because we see what is going on over the world. Just as I said the other time, we are living in a mad time, living in the moment of madness. We see a lot of things going on in the world. Sometimes you don't even know what to say. You are afraid to offend anybody. You are afraid to talk. You are afraid to face the real reality of life. We fall victim everywhere, especially the black race. Sometimes my heart is so heavy of seeing the black race, the way we are, the position we are in the world. I see, it's just so, sometimes I say the black are, they are not living. They are just on earth. Sopravvivere, come dice in italiano. Sopravvivere. Because our system of living is so confused that even we ourselves, we are confused. We don't even know where to start in life. So you can see the message, what we lift for the youth is confusion. What the youth are observing today all over the world is just confusion, and that made them to be vulnerable. That made them to be victims, and that made them to do something or the other where you see them, they are becoming victims everywhere, all over the world. Especially the one in Italy. And I told you the other day, because I know the law here, there are some videos you don't put online when you are not permit. So I respect so many of these law here, so I don't want to fall a victim of anyone. So that is why I don't normally put videos for people to see. But I say it. Those people that know the videos, they know what to say. They know exactly what I'm trying to tell you. And I'm going to show you some voice. Maybe you are going to hear the voice. They have even closed it from Facebook. They have closed it from Facebook. You can't get it from Facebook anymore. But I put it on my WhatsApp number for me to allow you people to hear the voice. And we know these people, especially this group of people who hate foreigners, who use the black for their evils of politics. Maybe if you hear the voice.
Quel prete che in Toscana ha organizzato una vera e propria comunità di immigrati all'interno della chiesa. Sì, tendoci letti, brandine, materassi. Quel prete che ha organizzato una pizzeria, che poi è risultata persino non regolare, perché voleva dare da lavorare a questi immigrati, che per lo più, ricordiamolo, risulteranno clandestini. Non solo, quel prete che ha cantato Bella Ciao dall'altare mentre faceva la sua messa. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao. Quel prete che ha portato questi immigrati in piscina perché poverini, sapete com'è, non basta avere vitto e alloggio pagati da tutti noi. Insomma, di questo prete i vicini di casa, gli italiani, non ne possono proprio più. In questi giorni il prete si lamenta del fatto che i suoi poveri ragazzi, poverini, sono chiusi tutti quanti e quindi non ce la fanno proprio più. Peccato, caro Biancalani, che ci sono 60 milioni di italiani che sono chiusi in casa. Svegliati. Insomma, a causa delle tensioni emotive che hanno questi poveri ragazzi, ancora una volta in questi giorni avviene l'ennesima rissa. E vedete come reagiscono anche i vicini di casa italiani che non ce la fanno più di questo Biancalani.
Io non vengo in casa, sono a casa mia, mi dispiace. Mi dispiace Biancalani, io sono a casa mia. Biancalani non se ne può più. Non tu li sai gestire. Vai, non tu li sai gestire. Voi vergognatevi.
I stop here. Why I stop here? Because of my line. And when they put this thing online on Facebook, some of the comment was so horrible to even see. The comment a lady wrote, some of them said, "This." Let me see one of the comments here. Andati vostra casa questi animali di merda. Voi venite qua, cosa venite da voi? Dovete tutti morire. You can see that kind of comment on Facebook. That kind of comment in social media is very hurtful. It's disgusting. It's hard. Some kind of comment you make is very hard. I was talking with a friend of mine. He told me exactly what his own headman in the work told him. He told him, if an immigrant just leave this world and pass away, it's -1. Who cares? That we are too much. We're supposed to leave the world. We don't need to stay here. It's just -1. They want to, if they can take anyone away, it's better. But they cannot stay pure. They cannot. It's too hard for them to see. Because why I bring you this thing for the youth, because the time is coming, the election will start again. When the election starts again, me and you, we already know what happened the other time of election. They use people like us. They use the black for their election. They use you to tell the whole people that we are like animals. But if you continue not able to take care of yourself, love yourself and keep yourself, these are what is going to happen later. It's going to be a great war where the black and white will be fighting in the streets. When nowhere, you will be harmed. Nobody will know about you. Let me read the last one for you so that I can say goodbye and a good night to everybody. Che la strada si apre ti vengo incontro, che il vento ti sia sempre alle spalle, che il sole passa a brillare sempre cado sul tuo volto e la pioggia scenderai dolcemente su tuoi campi. A fine il nostro prossimo incontro possa Dio tenerti su palma della sua mano. I love you all, my young brothers and sisters, youth. I want you all to love yourself. Keep yourself safe. Remember, when you are on earth, that is why you can become someone. When you are allowed to be used, I don't know what is going to happen. Just when the black die is -1. Just what they said. Just as that guy have so told his own worker, -1. I think we are praying that they will be going one by one. We still have much to say. We have much to do. We have much to learn. After this virus of problem finished on the world, I told you guys I'm going to bring a program which I said each one teach one. It's a program I will put online. I will program it the day I'm not going to work. We talk together. I'm going to open it. Everybody's going to express. But we are not only going to express the feeling. Our solution is enough. Enough is enough. We need solutions. This is not the time of our father, the mistake they did. We cannot continue suffering for the mistake others do. I can say, be calm, be attentive, be careful. But you remember, when you are driving on the road, you are not the only one. Even if you are careful, someone comes from someone and hit you, you can die. It's the same thing. I can tell you, take care of yourself, keep yourself safe. But someone can come from nowhere and hate you. Why? Because he hates you for your color, for being human, for you are living in the land. Who doesn't love him? Because our political have already failed. They have failed totally. And the consequence, we are facing it. This is the consequence of our politicals, our so-called elders, especially even the youth of today. Instead of them, others who are even more, who's supposed to take care of them, it's even using them for their own interests. And this thing is very painful when you see people using the youth for their own interest. Even when we say we hate Chinese or no Chinese, please, I will tell you, since this thing started, have you ever seen the way they go to a Chinese woman's house or a man's house or wherever the camp there is and knock the door and start fighting with them? No. Only one time it happened in Rome to a Chinese lady going home from work. They steal her bag. The 3 of them, after 3 days, those people were dead. They give a message to the land that they don't give a damn. But if it happened between me and you, who are we going to call? Who is going to fight for us? No one. It's you. Everything lies in your hands. You can become a great man. You can be whatever you want to become. You can become. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Let me just add a little bit of these pastors of those things. Stop worshiping pastors. Worship God and believe in yourself. Stop worshiping the mistake. Our politics. Keeping the politics as a problem. No. You can do it. You can do it. It's just for you to lie on your knees. Ask for yourself. Ask your God. Put your hands on your head. Our head is our forehead. It's very important. Tell him you want to lead you. Let him lead you. Lead yourself. We are going to the time when the politics will start soon. We all know. We just pray that this government here, especially in Italy, still remain for some time, maybe 1 or 2 to 3 years. But when they start their politics again, get ready. Get ready. I'm talking to those who live in Italy. Love yourself. Put yourself in a position that you can never be a victim for anyone. Your soul is important. You are important in the life of God. God loves you. He wants you to become human. He wants you to become disciplined. Self-discipline is more important. Hold yourself. Keep yourself in the right tracks. Don't walk away from your group. Stay in your tracks. Believe in yourself. Follow the right people. Select your friends. Don't be anger. Don't be anger. Keep your anger in you. Let it be in where you come from. Hold it there. You are starting a life here. Bend yourself. Be more intelligent. Be more trickish. Be more wisdom. Know how to get the people who hate you. Get the better from the hands of those who hate you. Don't remain in the gap they want to give you. Don't allow them to uncop you in one gap. Hold yourself. Love yourself. You will see that you will come out good. Nothing you can never become. All depends on time and believe in yourself. I love you. This is my message this evening. Ciao.